Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to classify customer feedback in Google Sheets using AI. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To classify customer feedback, we will use the GPT Classify function. For this example, we will use some sample feedback. First, click on the cell where you want to put the classification, then type this formula, =GPT_classify, open round bracket, then click the cell containing the corresponding customer feedback, type comma, then click and drag the range of cells containing the classification options, then type close round bracket. To fix the cell range for the categories, type a $sign before the column letter and before the row number for the whole range. This way, when you copy the formula, the category options will be fixed. Press Enter and after a few moments, the extension will automatically load the customer feedback classification. I will not do this for the rest of the data because it takes up some loading time, but if you want to apply this for all the data, click the cell with the formula and hover over the bottom right corner of it where you see a small blue circle until your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Click the circle and drag down. Google Sheets will copy the formula until you stop dragging, and the results will show in the respective cells. So, that is how you classify customer feedback in Google Sheets using AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.